So last day, okay, last day we stopped here, okay, here, okay. We discussed what is a variable, and we did some practicals related to variables. So today I would like to continue from there, okay. So today we have to know these things. We did this slide too, okay. Okay, from here, okay. So storing numerical values in a variable. Normally variable is a data structure. I will explain it using the whiteboard thoroughly in a few minutes, okay. So normally variable is a data structure. It means a variable can hold, okay, it can store variety of data types. For an example, it can store numbers, it can store words. Words means strings, okay. So now in this example I am focusing you to how to get to know how to store numerical values, numbers in a variables, okay. So okay. So in this example, okay, so here there is a code segment, okay. So here we can see the output, okay. Before executing this code segment, I would like to explain this code segment using whiteboard, okay. So here I would like to move to the whiteboard to explain this code segment, okay. Okay. Okay, now listen carefully and pay your attention, okay. Okay. So the same code segment in the PowerPoint is in this whiteboard, okay. So I like to explain that code segment using the whiteboard, okay. So here normally last day also I said that in a code, okay, in a code or in a program segment, we don't say these are sentences, okay. Instead of the word sentence, we use the word statement, okay, statement. So there are how many statements? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Altogether there are 9 statements, okay. So in the first statement it says text window dot title equal area and parameter. It means now you know text window object now I would like to draw the text window here, okay. Text window means that window with the black background, okay. Okay, window with the black background. Okay, let's see. Let's imagine this is the text window, okay. This is the text window, okay. So here in the first line, the title of the text window has been set to area and parameter. So what is the title? Title is shown in at the top, okay, at the top. So what is the title? Area and parameter, okay. Area and perimeter. That's the thing, okay. So in the next statement, it says text window dot right. How long is the rectangle? Okay. Now in the next line, it shows us, okay. Okay. How long is the rectangle? Okay. So here write means output this sentence. Okay. Output this question or output this string. We call this string. Okay. To the text window. That's the thing. Okay. This write operation and also this write line operations. What is the behavior of those operations? Output in the relevant sentence or relevant string to the window. So here, how long is the rectangle? This sentence, this question is output to the window. Okay. So how long? How long is the rectangle? That's the thing. Okay. So now program. Okay. Program is asking a question from the user. Okay. So now user should answer to this question. So what should the user or you or me should do? So we should give a value to this question. It means how long is the rectangle? So now in this program we are going to calculate the area and the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay. So let's imagine this is those this is that rectangle. Okay. This is that.
Excuse
rectangle.
me, sir.
This is that rectangle. Okay. So okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Let's imagine this is a rectangle. Okay. So here long means width. No. Let's imagine this is 6 centimeters width and breadth. Or what is that one? Wide. So look. Okay. Long means okay. Let's this 6 centimeter and breadth or wideness is 4 centimeters. Okay. This is wideness. Okay. This is longness. This is wideness. Okay. How wide the rectangle is, how long the rectangle is. Okay. This value is 6 centimeters. Okay. Okay. So now the program asks from the user.
Excuse me, sir.
In front of the computer or person using the computer, from that person, program is asking how long is the rectangle. So what should we type? We should type 6 and press enter button. Okay, press the enter button. So behind the scene, what happens? So behind the scene, what happens means we can understand from the third line. Okay, now in the first line, what happened? The title of the text window object was set to area and parameter. Okay, so it's done. Okay, this part is completed. Okay, let me use different color. So this is completed. Now the second one, this question is displayed to the user through the text window object. Now it is also finished. Okay. Now after displaying that question, user enters a value. User enters a value. So that value is 6. Okay. So now in the third line, what happens? Length. In this blue color, I have used the blue color to indicate variables. Okay. Indicate variables. So here length is a variable because it is in a blue color. So here length is a variable and it is equal to this one. What is it? Text window read number. Text window read number. So this read number, okay, you can see there is a operation called read number. Read number behavior of the read number is reading a number from the text window object. Okay, now previously I have entered number 6. So here this operation will read this number, okay, from the text window. Okay, text window read number, it means read the number in the text window. So that number is 6. Okay, so he will read the value 6, and that 6 will be stored to the variable length. Okay, stored to the variable length. So normally creating a variable means this is the story. Okay, so now you know, in a computer there are several memory types. Okay, there are hard disk. Okay, so there are RAMs, random access memory, and there are cache memories, registers. There are variety of memory types. Some may know, some may don't, doesn't matter. Okay, so normally when we are opening a software program, for an example, if I open the Word program by double clicking that Word shortcut, okay, what happens behind the scene? What happens behind the scene is that normally that Word software is installed in the C drive. Okay, in the, now you know C drives, when you click on this PC, okay, you can see there are a couple of bars, C, D, E, like those are called drives or partitions. In the C partition, there are folders called program files. Okay, I can show you that one. Okay, now there are Sanoli is waiting. Wait. Sorry, I focused on the whiteboard. I never look back on the screen. That's the thing. Okay, sorry. So now when I am double clicking on the Word, Microsoft Word shortcut key. Okay, now I will show you. Okay, now let's see that one. Now here, now if I search for Word, okay, you can see this application. Okay, when I click on this one, okay, now it is opening, and it is ready to use. Okay, it is ready to use. So behind the scene, what happens? Behind the scene, what happens means that now you can see when you click on this PC. Okay, when you click on this PC, you can see there are various bars. Okay, these are called partitions. Okay, these are called partitions or drives. Okay, so normally when we install a software, that software resides inside either of these two folders. If inside the program file, so inside the program file 86. Okay, that's the thing. So these C drive, D drive, EF, those drives are from the hard disk. Okay, these are related to the hard disk. Okay, so normally Word is inside this program files, Microsoft Office, okay, wait. Word. Wait. Okay, so normally it is inside this Microsoft Office folder. Okay, I can't show it by the icon now because it is inside. It is resides in many folders. Okay, that's the thing. Normally it is in this folder. Okay, inside the Microsoft Office folder. Okay, so when I double click that icon, what happens? This Word program which is resided in the program file folder, which is in the C partition, which is also in the hard disk, okay, is loaded into the RAM, okay, RAM memory, okay. That's what happened, okay. So when we double click on a shortcut, it may be Word, it may be Excel, what happens? The software is normally installed in the hard disk, resides in the hard disk. That software loads, okay, that software will load into the RAM, or we simply say memory, okay. So then after loading to the RAM, we can use that software. Likewise, we can do tasks using that software. That's what happens behind the scene, okay. So in this program execution also, okay, in this program execution also, so this program is loaded into the RAM, okay. This program is loaded into the RAM and it is executed inside the RAM. When this program is loaded into the RAM, it is executed from there, okay, from the RAM, okay. So now here the variable length, okay, variable length is equal to text window dot read number, no? So text window dot read number will gives a value, will identify a value where in the text window, okay. So this will read the number in the text window, which is 6, okay, which is 6, and it is assigned to the variable length, okay. So in the RAM, when this statement is executed, a memory space, okay, we call it bucket, or memory space is assigned, okay, is created under the name length, okay, under the name length. That's happened, okay. When this statement executes, a memory space in the RAM will be created, okay, will be registered under the name length, okay, under the name length. Why length? Because the variable name is length. So after identifying the value from the text window, that value 6 will be stored in that memory space, okay. Normally we call this a memory space in for to get understand it easily, we call this a bucket, okay. So this bucket resides inside the RAM under the name length, okay. So normally I said that at the last day also, variable has 2 characters, okay, 2 parameters. What is it? One is variable name, other one is variable's value, okay. So this value may be a number value, it means numerical value. This value may be a text value, like a word or sentence, okay. So here it's a number value, numerical value. So when this statement executes, what happens? A memory space under the length will be created and the value 6 will be stored in that memory space, okay, under the name length. That's happened, okay. Now this is also finished, okay. So in the fourth statement, so focus, please don't show your don't throw your mind, don't focus to other things, okay. So pay your attention to the board and what I am saying, okay, what I am saying. So here in the fourth statement, it's a text window, okay, text window, write this question. Text window, write this question. What is the behavior of write operation? It writes this question in the text window. Okay, so here, as happened in this statement. Okay, so here, how wide is the rectangle? So how wide is the rectangle? Okay, so write operation will display this question in the text window. Okay, so this is also done. Now in the fifth statement, it says text window. Okay, now this question will be displayed in the text window. After displaying, now there is a question. Question is asked through the text window. Now what should the user do? He should give the value related to this wideness. Okay, how wide the rectangle is? So wideness or the breadth value is 4. Okay, so user will type 4 and then press enter button. Okay, in the fifth statement, what happens? It says text window, read the number. Okay, it means text window, now please read that number. Okay, what is the number? 4. And assign that. This equal sign means assign that to the variable width. That's the thing. Now the program is giving commands, giving orders to the text window. Here it says text window, read the number. Yes, what is the number? 4. Now text window has read the number 4. Then equal sign means assign, give that number to the variable width. So what is the number? 4. The 4 will be assigned. 4 will be given to the variable width. So here, when this statement executes, okay, when this statement executes, a memory space called width is created. A memory space is created and its name is width. So we can access this memory space using this width. Simply there is a variable is created. Okay, in the RAM, its name is width. Its value will be stored here. Okay, so what is the value? 4. So after executing this statement, what happens? 4 will be stored under the name width inside the RAM. That's the thing. Okay. So I will like to repeat these 5 statements from the beginning again. Okay, so so in the first statement, what happens? Now this program is in the RAM and it gives orders to mainly for the text window object. Okay, now in the first statement it says text window, put your title as area and parameter. That's the thing. Okay, now there isn't a word called put your title, but by dot title means put your title. Okay, so text window, put your title as area and perimeter. Area and perimeter. So what text window does? It will set its name as area and perimeter. Area and perimeter. Okay, now in the second statement, what happens? Text window, write this question in your body. It means in the text window. Now the program is calling for the text window. Text window, write this question in your body. Body means in his area. Okay, in his window. So he will display this question like this inside the text window object. Okay, now in the third statement, what happens? So here, okay, text window. So after this, after displaying this question, okay, after displaying this question, now the question is asking. So user will enter a value. So here the question is how long is the rectangle? So that value is 6. So user will type 6 and press enter button. Okay. After that, again, then program orders to the text window like this. Text window, read the number. Read the number from where? From the text window. Okay. So text window, read the number. So he will read the number value 6. Okay. He will read the number 6. Okay. And by using this equal sign, what it means? Text window, read the number and assign that number or give that number to the variable length. That's the thing. This equal sign means assigning or giving. Okay. Text window, read the number. Okay. Then give that number to the variable length or assign that number to the variable length. That's the thing. So while assigning, what happens behind the scene? Memory space is created. Okay, memory space is created under the name length because variable name is length. No, so memory space is created under the name length. This value 6 is stored in there. Okay, the 6 is stored under the length inside the RAM. Okay, that's it. Now it's done. Okay, now in the fourth statement, what happens? Again ordering to the text window. Who give orders? Program. Okay, program is giving orders. Now in the first statement it says text window, write this question. What is the question? Write this one. It means this question. How wide is the rectangle? So text window will display that question in its body. Okay, how wide is the rectangle, like this. Now user will see program is asking a question through the text window. So he will answer for that question. What is the answer? Wideness or breadth. What is it? 4. So he will type the value 4 and press enter button. Okay. Okay. In the fifth statement, what happens? Text window, read the number. Read the number inside you. So the newest value is 4. He will read the value 4 and then text window, read the number and give that number to the variable width or assign that number to the variable width. So what happens behind this? A memory space is created under the name width. Okay, because the variable is width, no, variable name is width, so memory space is newly created. Okay, other than this, newly created inside the memory, inside the RAM, and its name is width. Okay, so assigning value 4 to the width means this 4 will be stored inside in that memory space. That value 4 is stored in that memory space under the name width. That's the thing. Okay. Okay, running out of time. How many minutes left? 6 minutes. It's enough. Okay. Okay. Now in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The sixth statement. It says length multiplied by width. Okay. Length multiplied by width. So here, when this statement executes, what happens? Length value will be taken. Okay, so what is the value under the name length? So this is a variable, no? So what is the value under the variable name length? 6. Okay, 6 will be taken to here. Okay, so here star mark means multiplication. So in the keyboard, instead of cross symbol, we use star mark to indicate multiplication operation. Okay, so here width. So value under the variable name width will be taken to here. Okay. Okay. So what is the final value? 6 times 4 means 24. Okay. 24. 6 times 4 means 24. That 24 will be here, equal sign means that 24, that final simplified value, the 24 will be assigned or given to the variable area. So when this statement execute, behind the scenes in the RAM, okay, a memory space again created. Okay, memory spaces is again created, new one, under the name area. Okay, so this simplified value, final value 24 is stored, will be stored under the variable name area. Okay, that's the thing. So length times width means length's value 6 will be multiplied with the value 4 because it's the value of the width. Okay, final simplified value 6 times 4 means 24. That value will be given or assigned to the variable area. It means creating a memory space in the RAM under the name area, and 24 will be stored in that place. Okay. Okay. Now this statement also finished. Okay. Here. Now in this statement it says when we solve mathematical questions, okay, when we solve mathematical questions, there are various operations. Okay, there are additions, adding numbers, subtractions, subtracting numbers, multiplication, division, dividing numbers. There are a lot of operations. So when there are more than one operation in the same expression, we should give priority. We should maintain the priority for those operations. So it's that methodology is called BODMAS. Okay, BODMAS. I don't know whether you know that one. Okay. So answer me. Have you ever heard BODMAS? Brackets.
Not yet.
Now.
Yes, sir.
Unmattu.
Yes, sir.
Have you ever heard BODMAS? Do you know BODMAS, about BODMAS?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It doesn't matter. So BODMAS means brackets. First priority should be given to the brackets, then off, then division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Likewise, these are called priority list of operators, operator precedence. That's the thing. Okay, so here in this expression also we should give our first priority to the bracket. It means we should first solve the expression inside the bracket, and then we should move to the other operations. Okay, operations. So here again variable length is added to the variable width. It means value of the length. What is the value of the length? 6 is added to the value of the variable width 4. So 6 plus 4 means 10. Okay, so here from the bracket it gives us the value 10 and it should be multiplied. Okay, here the multiplication multiplied to 2. Okay, so 2 times 10 means 20. So here the value is 20. That value 20 is assigned or stored or given to the variable perimeter. So when this statement executes, behind the scene another variable, okay, another variable called perimeter, okay, is created in the RAM. It means another memory space is created, new one, under the name perimeter in the RAM. Okay, and this value, the 20, is stored in that memory space under the name perimeter. Okay, so now the area is calculated, perimeter is calculated by using these statements. Okay, now this is also finished. Okay, now here what it says, now again the program is giving orders to the text window. What it says, text window, write this, write line this. Now there is an operation called write here, another one is write line. What is the difference between write and write line? Write line means write this one, okay, write this one in a new line. Okay, don't use the old line or last line. Starting from a new line, write this one, okay, or display that one. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, so here the area of the rectangle is, now it will start to write. Okay, text window will start to write. What is the area? Okay, area of the, okay, rectangle. Okay, is, the area of the rectangle is, okay, now this window is window continuous to there. Okay, so is, now text window, write this one, the area of the rectangle is, the area of the rectangle is. Next, after this, after finishing this expression within inverted commas, okay, after finishing this expression with a blank, okay, here after is there is a blank, after blank, okay, I mean blank means space, you know, typing space bar, okay, using the, likewise after space it will add. Addition means it will join the value, okay, under the area. So what is the value under area? 24. So this add mark means after the end of this expression, okay, red one, after the end of this expression with the space, okay, join, add means join. Here addition means mathematical addition, 6 plus 4. Here addition means join, okay, join the value under the variable area to that line, okay, to end of this statement. So what is the value under the area? 24. The value 24, okay, value 24 will be joined after a space, okay, because this expression is end after a space, okay, is space and then value under the area 24. Okay. Again, join a full stop within inverted comma. There is a full stop, no? Again, join a full stop. That's the thing. Okay. So here, addition mark means, addition means joining. Okay, we technically call it concatenating. Okay, joining. After this expression, join the value under area. Okay, 24. Here, variable means not joining the variable name. Okay, the value. In these occasions also, this variable names means we should use those variable values. We use those variable values here also. So here also variable name means we should use the value under that name. Okay, so that's why I use 24. So 24 is joined at the end of this expression, and again at the end of the 24 we again join There is a plus mark, no? Again join a full stop. That's the thing. Okay. Now it is so. Okay. Now at the last step, last statement, what another ordering. Okay, another order is given to the text window. It says text window, write this one in a new line. Okay, right line means starting from a new line. Write this. Okay, what is it? The perimeter is. The perimeter is. The perimeter is. It is ended with a space. Okay, after the space, the value of the variable perimeter, this one, 20, should be joined to the end of this expression. It means after putting a space, we should, that text window, not we, the text window should display the value of the perimeter, 20. Okay. At the end of the 20, it should join, or it should put a full stop. It should join this expression. This expression means full stop. No? It should join a full stop at the end of this one. It means 20, like this. So that's how it behaves. Okay. So there are 9 statements, and after executing those 9 statements, we can see a result or a text window like this. Okay. Okay. So now the time is 10:22. Again, I would like to move to the presentation. So after executing this one in the editor, okay, the output is like this. Okay, instead of 4 and 6, they have used 4 and 5. Okay, in the description, in the explanation, I use 4 and 6. They have used 4 and 5. Okay, so this expression also I used a different one, because to calculate the perimeter, this one is also correct, but this one is also correct. Length plus width times 2. Okay, same expression. I use a simplified version of that expression. Okay, instead of using this one, okay, instead of using this one, I simplified it. I put length and width inside the bracket, and after addition of length and width, I multiplied those that value from 2. Same expression. Okay, so today I wanted to describe you how a program behave in the behind the scene. Now in normally you see these results, okay, through the text window, but behind the scenes what happens, I want to explain you. Okay, I wanted to explain that one, so I think I did it. If you have questions, you may ask now.